Right, so many companies in general, HVAC as well, you're going to look profitable on paper, but you might struggle, to pay the bills. You might not have enough cash on hand. And so here I want to show you how to easily read, your cash in versus your cash out, your cash inflow versus cash outflow, and then just get your net operating cash flow. And then I'll show you how to visualize it two ways. One with, how much you sort of have at the end of the month with this top chart, and then just inflow versus outflow on this bottom chart. So let me move this up real quick. So let's look at the data real quick. If you want the data set, there's a link in the description to download it, or you can just shoot me an email and I'll give you my email, or just leave a comment on the video. If you do email me, just tell me what video it is. Okay, so here we just have a direction essentially, in versus out, right? And then we have a cash amount here. So all we have to do is sum the cash, sum this if this is cash in, and then for the outflow, sum the same column if this is cash out, right? And so if you don't have a data set like this, like QuickBooks will have exports of all your expenses, right? But it's super simple. I mean, you don't even need a lot of these columns. You can just do cash in, cash out, right? And then have the dollar amount, and then you can easily calculate this. But let's get started. So what we want is we want a list of the months here, which is super simple. So you can just, I already set this up, but I'll delete this and do it again. So month, and then type in the word January, and then from here, drag this down to December, and then we can do, I'll just type cash in, cash out. But if you want to be more official, you can just do, operating cash in, operating cash out. So like I said before, we want to sum the cash column if it's cash in and the month is January. So sum the cash amount, comma, and then you can do here, and you can just type the word cash in. And it's not case sensitive, but make sure you use quotation marks because it's text. In Excel with text, you need to have it in quotations. And then the next thing is here, comma, because that's the month column, and then just click on January. And now you have that. So press Control Shift and the number 4, and you can format it as a dollar, and then just remove that, and then you can just double click there, and you're good. And then instead of doing the whole formula again, all you have to do is copy it, do this, and now just type in, change the word in to out. And then you have the same thing, Control Shift 4, remove the decimals, and double click. And double click, you'll see the crosshair of the mouse changes, but it's that little green box. And then you have, your net operating cash flow, which is just in for minus out. You can center it and then drag that down. And you can see, there's some negative months. And so now what we want to do is we want to create this chart. You can do a line or you can do a column. I'll do a column, and I'll show you a super simple way to do it. So all you have to do is highlight month, hold down the control key, highlight net operating cash flow, press Alt F1, and then you get the chart. So Alt F1. What I'll do is I'll do it again, but I'll show you how to properly do it without shortcut keys. Highlight month, highlight here, insert, and then you can do recommended, or you can, the column chart is here, or you can do recommended. If you just wanted different types of charts, that's fine. I'll just do this one, and then we have that. I'll make it black here. Okay, so we have that chart. So the next chart is also pretty easy. We want cash in versus cash out. So just highlight these three, go to insert, and then same thing. It's just this time you can click on this. When you can pick whichever chart you want. I just chose that one. And then we can just call this, say, cash inflows versus cash out. Okay, so that is essentially how you create these two charts, pretty straightforward. And so, yeah, so if you have any questions about this, just a second. If you have any questions about this, just give me an email, questions@databoards.io. This is a super short video, 5 minutes right now. And so yeah, so again, the file is in the description. If you want a link, if you want that, if you have any questions about this, just shoot me an email. And also, if you need some help, sort of with your day-to-day stuff, there's going to be a form, a link to a form in the description, and then you can just fill it out to set up a time to chat. But that's all I got for this one, and I will see you in future videos.